Hey there everybody, just wanted to make a quick video and show off my new roof rack here for my Focus ST. This is going to be the Inno roof rack, the NISU with the optional fairing, and this is on my 2018 Focus ST. So the roof rack came out to be around $400 shipped off of Amazon. I could have gotten it off of their website or one of the various roof rack websites, but I just decided to piece it together myself. So I got the bases here and the pads right there, as well as the brackets that go inside the door. And then the bars were separate as well. And then of course the fairing was separate. So overall I think I got a pretty good deal. For my purposes it looks awesome. Honestly I just wanted it for cosmetic looks. I'm probably gonna add a roof basket there at some point to maybe haul some luggage around, but for the most part I just wanted it to look good. I've always wanted a roof rack on my car, and I think it looks pretty damn good on the Focus. If anybody's interested in me making an install video, I could definitely make that. I just wanted to share what it looked like on the car itself. So just to recap, I'm going to show you all the parts that go to it. The assembly is actually super basic. So this is going to be the clip that holds it into place right here, that attaches to the base. And all this comes with the base, and then this is the bar that goes through the actual roof rack, and this is a separate fairing. So you could buy any one really. I just wanted to stick with the brand and get the fairing from the brand. But I'm gonna list all the different parts and stuff for anybody that's wondering, because I had a really hard time finding out which parts fit the Focus. So I'm just gonna leave that down in the description for you guys to see. I'll probably put a little card at the end of this video so you guys can check it out as well. But I've got lots of things coming for the Focus, lots of videos planned, so definitely subscribe and you'll be able to check those out. Thanks again for watching.